Hi guys, good morning. My name is Shai. I am here to talk about a seminar topic in this video. Like, what if your best friend, your nurse, or your co-worker was a robot that looked on top like a human? Okay, it's a huge thing, is it? So I am talking about a humanoid robot. Are we ready to coexist with human-like machines? So humanoid what is humanoid robots? Like humanoid robots are robots designed to look and behave like human, often with realistic facial expressions while walking abilities or walking capabilities and AI powered speeches. So, from sci-fi to reality, we are entering an era where humanoid robots are starting to appear in homes, workplace, and even on talk shows. So, in recently, Elon Musk humanoid robot designed to handle repetitive or dangerous tasks. It's like can walk, lift, response to voice commands, those kind of things. And re- these humanoid robots replace the human labor in factories and homes also. And also Sophia, a Hansen's Robotics, a humanoid robot. We all know that the first robot to get citizenship in Saudi Arabia, and also can hold conversations, cracks jokes, and even show facial expression in Sophia. So, used in educations, interviews, events, so they will train, and also it gets more exposed. And like another one is Ameka, a hyper realistic facial expressions and natural movement robot designed for human robot interaction researches. Can it can react to emotions, questions, and even sarcasms. That's the thing. Like the next thing is how these humanoid robots helps to our lifestyle. The main thing is in healthcare, like robots caregivers for elders or disabled patients helps to interact there more. Like in one of Malayalam cinema, I forgot its name, Android Kunnappan. In that movie, they shows the bond between. So they shows they in elders or disabled patients wouldn't get that loneliness, and also reduce pressure on healthcare staffs. And another thing is customer services, like robots in malls, hotels, and airports to greet and assist customers. Language transactions and emote detection capabilities are good to in customer services. And another thing is industrial or automations, like performing repetitive tasks in manufacturing and those kind of things, especially useful in dangerous environment in nuclear plants, those kind of things. And another thing is space explorations, like NASA, ECA developing humanoid robots to explore Mars. Like when i'm when I'm seeing in Interstellar movie, when I realize, oh, we will think like a that's an imaginary world. But if a robot is like Mark, that would help the NASA's to explore the space, those kind of things. And robots can handle hard hazardous situation without putting astronauts at risk. And benefits of humanoid robots: increase productivity, like for it can work for 24 into 7, no breaks at all, and reduce human exposure to risky environment. That's the most important thing we have to say about. And can assist people with disabilities or elderly, and also potential for companionship and in a lonely world. So now we all say about the concerns and ethical questions about the humanoid robots. We all know in everything they have positives and negatives or advantages and disadvantages. In humanoid robots, the main disadvantages is job loss. Like automation could replace a millions of jobs in manufacturing, customer service, and also transport. And another thing is emotional attachment. People may form bonds with humanoid robots. I before say like Android Kunnapan, that raises questions about emotional health and human connections. Okay, and another thing is AI misuse and control. Like, what if humanoid robots get hacked? Do they have free will? Can they be weaponized? Like most of the sci-fi movies. So that's a big concern. And another thing is lack of regulations, like laws having caught up with humanoid robot development, and no global standards for safety, privacy, or responsibility for these kind of robots. And another thing, are we ready to coexist? So that's a big question. Technologically, we are progressing fast, and emotionally and socially, we are still catching up or catching up. There are excitements and fears also. Both are valid. Yes, that's both are valid. But we still thinks emotions are emotions can't be connected with a humanoid robots or robots or machine like things that they can easily manipulate. But humans are more connected. Humans have to be connected with themselves. I don't know if I am saying right or wrong. I don't know anything about it. So my conclusion is that humanoid robots aren't just coming; they are already here. That's the thing. First of all, we have to say that, like Sophia, those kind of robots, Ameka, and they have the power to reshape our world for better, maybe or worse. So whether we are ready to depend on responsibilities we develop and ethically we use them. So would you trust a robot to take care of your children or you operate on your body? That's a question I want to ask. So thank you guys. Thank you for sitting and listening my words.